my hair, so don't talk about. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a website by using Gravitywrite. I don't want to say it loud, but I know. Now click on that. If you have installed already, just click on it and it should install. If you have installed, just skip that part. Next, choose the design you wanted for your website. Just check my videos, okay? And click on continue. Choose that. Click on next. Now you can customize however you want. Next, when you have it download the picture from Google, just click upload. And it says no, so we need to choose something else. You could just okay. Just click on build websites. Okay, we don't have our logo set up. Yep, you can customize whatever you want. I'll put a link in the description. Check it out about how to use website. And look, Gravitywrite has it. Sorry, I have a call. And look how fast the website is. Much better. It's much better than GoDaddy. You can customize how you want. Oh look, it's not stopping. Oh my god, it's going. It's going. You can see it has to be taking this page. Next. So let's say click on keep up next, or you can select. When it is done, you can see that the website almost done. By using Gravitywrite is on it free, or I'll put a link in the description. Check it out. I'm gonna finish all of this video right now. Next, now we see we can wait for it. It says we our website. Please wait just your website. We are regain and blog page. Sorry, I have a call. So, very important is everybody needs to wait, but I don't like to wait, and I hate waiting. Like, it's hard to be waiting for anybody else, right? Some people don't like to wait for school, work, many things. It's hard. Just check it out in the link in the description. I have a link in the description so you can create a website from free. You don't need to pay, and also it's a credit card. It's free, much better. And now the domain name, just customize however you want, but customize with appropriate. Appropriate means it customized for your age. So that's what I'm talking about. My therapy can hear me or something like that. You can customize whatever you want. You can customize for a store. No, like it's not for 18 or something. Nope. We're gonna customize what I want for stores and for shop. That's for your age. Because I'm 13, right? So I'm too young for do whatever I want. So we have 79%. We need to wait. I'll put that in the link in the description. I also go to put other one in the description about what is it called? Now it's 100%. You can see. Let's click on customize. Let's check it out. Right now, I'm gonna click on connect, and then we'll take this page. Wait, hold on a second. You can customize how you want. Next, oh, there we go. It has to be a while, but I'm gonna set up the on. You can use AI, but I'm not gonna keep this on. I'm gonna remove the people to do that. Click on X. It will remove the people. Wait, let me search for computer. To them, say computer. Oops, sorry again. Computer. I'm downloading and post it to my website. I think I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna save the picture from Google, and now we can customize. Click on edit. When you click upload, In this page, you can see how I want for the computer. So I have customized already. If you search one, search. Oops. Search computer. So you need any chance, just click on link in the description. I also like this one. I like that. And then you could customize your website. Next, in that paper right here, I don't want that. So let's check my upload. And then it says no work. And just click on this borrow and click on delete. Click on delete. The one more thing, I'm gonna finish that waiter and organize computer. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna click delete and you see your website is begin. Change the title, I'm gonna click on tools. Hold on, did I spell right? Let me spell. Or you can use it from here. Let's say tools. Oh, I know how to spell. Sorry, I don't pay attention. And you got your tools. Next, when you're done, click on publish. And that's it. That's just how you create a website. And there we go. Now let's take a look. All the video how to create a website, but it's not working. It's okay. That's how you create a website. If you have this helpful, hit subscribe button. Let me know in the question. Subscribe to raphael05. Keep it up and don't forget.